Josh Ellis.
Okay, say it again. What's your name?
Josh Ellis.
Where are you from?
Vidor, Texas.
Vidor, Texas. So, is this your first time?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Did y'all like it?
Oh yeah, it was impressive.
Good. Who else am I interviewing?
Come here, Candace. Come here, Candace. Candace Nicole, come on. Come on, Candace.
I won't scare you.
It's my cousin Nikki. Was it fun?
It scared the shit out of me.
And Timothy Dykes, y'all should come.
Yep. Hey, what's your name, little girl?
What's your name?
She wants to be interviewed.
What's your name?
Okay, you want to be interviewed? What's your name?
Caitlin.
Where are you from?
Mauriceville.
Mauriceville. Cool. So did you like it? No.
It's scary.
It's scary. That's a good thing. So what was your favorite part? What was your
Coming out.
the exit? That's good. All right, glad you came.
Yeah, I did a good job.
Thank you.
It was awesome.